सर इसमें है, ये सारे हैं 40
मेरी अभी 27
ये करवा लो, इसको सीक्वेंस में दे देना सारे
पीछे।
जल्दी कवर, वो दो को भी कवर कर लो, जल्दी कर रहे हैं, वो हट गया ना फिर
क्या हाल है लाला जी?
आप वेटिंग रूम में जाकर फॉर्म फिल कर लीजिए।
Tarun Gupta of Ganpati B School, please report on India Mart counter.
नहीं तुम सोचे कि आप कॉलेज के लिए जैसे वॉचमैन हाँ मैं जस्ट अभी आपने बोला ना कि इसको देख कर आपकी बात को सर तो और क्लास तो ये ना कि हम लोग सब नोट्स और देखना बैग लेके आती
हमारे चुट के पास गया तो क्या होगा भैया मूवी नहीं करती आया हुआ था अब मेरा पुराना कॉलेज है वो करने
आनंद जी आप भी आओ आपके बिना तो मूवी नहीं बनी
तो भी आए हम लोग हैं
110 तो 111 होगा तेरे चार चीज़ें मेरे से पहले गया
Thank you.
प्रगति आलूवालिया, प्रगति आलूवालिया।
3 होंगे, एक आपने ले लिया था, एक लिया है, 2 होंगे।
वोडाफोन का एनसीआर और दिल्ली में है ना?
नहीं,
वोडाफोन का एनसीआर और दिल्ली में है ना? जब तेरी शादी हुई ना चल यार, मैंने मतलब
यार इतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए। तू कॉर्पोरेट में है, 10 सालों से कॉर्पोरेट में है, तब भी कंगाली छाई निकलता है यार।
चलिए लेकर
Pragati Ahluwalia from ICL Institute is requested to report to the Pragati Ahluwalia from ICL Institute is requested to report to the Vodafone registration counter. I repeat, Pragati Ahluwalia.
क्या करेगा? नेक्स्ट में ध्यान मैं पहले डाल देता
Registration counter. I repeat, Shagun Sharma. IDBI registration counter. I repeat, Mr. Vishal Sharma from EMAX.
राजीव कुमार। वही वैसे पंजाबी में आई जे क्या मैं करूँ थोड़ी सी क्या
There is announcement for Vodafone on the candidates who are already registered for Vodafone are requested to assemble in the seminar hall. I repeat, the candidates who are already registered for Vodafone, they are requested to assemble in seminar hall.
Before they put you across into the picture, I'd like to share some details with you. The process entirely would depend on one level today. That is your communication, your personality, your body language, and your ability to show yourself as a corporate sales team guy or a girl. Right? This job profile is totally non-based on your gender. It is based on purely of your ability. Right? This job profile involves corporate sales. Now, what actually is corporate sales? Any one of you can tell me what is corporate sales? Anyone?
कॉर्पोरेट डील होती है बल्क में एक्शन देना किसी कंपनी को मतलब जैसे कि क्या कहते हैं मान लो ये कॉलेज ही है ठीक है अपने सारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स को आपस में फ्री बात करानी है कुछ भी है मतलब किसी भी चीज को एक
CUG, a common user group. Okay, good, thank you. Sit down please. One example that he gave was correct, right? We talk of a bulk sale or a bulk product line where we talk of something like more than 200 or 50 or 300 or 500 users, and we pick this particular clients onto the system of Vodafone. Similarly, the platform comes in to provide a group digital. But let's see abroad, let's see the other markets of the world where Vodafone is a leader into telecom products, right? So those telecom products are also being brought into India. If you see, whenever there is a new concept in the market on telecom, Vodafone is the first one to bring it up. And yes, and the rest people follow. They brought the some 30 paisa per second or per minute or something. Then they started coming up to the rate per paisa per second. So then the rest of the people started following up. So people from your background, MBAs, freshers, people who have good communication skills, are good to speak at, good to look at, have a customer service attitude. I don't want them to waste much time on that. The process would involve a one-to-one discussion today, right? The discussion would be based on your interview. It would involve questions. Yes. So the evaluation would be done on these particular parameters. Once this evaluation is done, they have some particular forms that you need to fill down. Whatever information that you write down on the form has to be very correct. Okay? And the people who are interested for a corporate sales profile should only sit for this process. Do not waste your time and the time of the HR if you are not interested. Number one. Number two, the first 6 months for you would be at NCR. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
Now at NCR, you will have to be there for the first 6 months. After that, the organization holds the right to give you a deputation in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Rajasthan, anywhere, wherever your hometown exists. Okay? Vodafone has a very clear policy, the best man for the job. Best man is, if you belong to a Gali Kucha of Rajpura, they know that nobody knows better than you. So they will like to put you over there instead of sending out the salary structure into the training platform at rupees to 12,000 to 15,000 depending upon your skills. Mobile reimbursement also?
Yes.
Your mobile phone reimbursement, your travel, your pick and drop to the office, everything would be done by Vodafone. So that counts a good number. Because traveling in Delhi takes around 5,000-6,000 rupees a month. So if you are being given a pick and drop by the organization, I think it will help you in reducing that cost. The initial 6 months would be at Vodafone stores, at Vodafone corporate health points, at Vodafone, corporate help desks also established in those organizations. So your main role would be either to resolve a problem or to pick up a new sales process or to do the number portability one thing that's come across. Okay, so your team would be involved into that process also. So primarily speaking, they will look forward for people who are flexible, who have an attitude, who are looking out to prove themselves into a hard nut crack market. Having 2-3 smart miniskirt tight girls around him as secretaries, that will not happen right now. It will happen, but the next 20 years down the line. Okay, so 20 साल बाद वो miniskirt वाली secretary मिलेगी. Okay? Yes. Okay? Who don't want to be into this part, they can move out. Number one. Any questions that you have, you can ask me. Any questions? आपस में नहीं, हमें पूछिए.
job profile is for the as for this call center or so sir, you have told that the communication skills will be checked out because of the callings will be done.
Did I say the word calling?
Help us. You are starting then only you say.
Calling. Okay, how many people say मैंने calling word कहा था? Raise your hand. Tell him कि सर मैं आपको मिलने आ रहा हूँ और मैं कौन हूँ? मैं मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव हूँ या मैं कॉर्पोरेट सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव हूँ? आपको मिलेगा नहीं?
So I just thought that's right.
It's not a call center profile. Please understand.
Without wasting any time.
What else do you think you should be doing?
So that is why I'm important.
Okay, this is purely about corporate sales team. Purely about corporate sales team. Number one, you will have to make corporate presentations. You would be talking to sales heads, to business heads and volume heads of organization who are looking out to give manpower supplements to their system after your 6 months of performance and evaluation. But no guarantees on that.
After the completion of the training.
Okay. Best man for the job. If you are okay, we are okay. Is that clear? Yeah, that's okay? Huh? Okay, let me ask you one thing, okay? Let me go the other way around. Stop chewing the gum first of all. It's disrespectful to the other. If 20 people in this room are sitting who are employees of an organization and they want to work without a target, do you think they will get business volumes for the company? Number one? No. Will they generate a target? They also have a target. They also have a target कि 200 बंदे recruit करने हैं तो कितने लोगों को offer देनी चाहिए? Anybody from HR? HR? Anybody from HR? तभी होनी चाहिए. कितने लोगों को offer letter जानी चाहिए? What do you say?
Sir, I think almost 500 students को जाना चाहिए.
Anybody? Total number of people appearing for an interview process, the joining ratio is only 17%. If 1700 people are कितने निकलते हैं? I'm talking only 17% of the people who are actually going to join the job. Because हमारे जाने के बाद भी आपके पास 4 कंपनीज और आएंगी. अभी आप रुकोगे थोड़ी. अभी आपको 5000 एक्स्ट्रा दे देगा वहां भागोगे. फिर कोई 2000 एक्स्ट्रा दे देगा वहां भागोगे. तो करते कराते you are going to sell yourself to make a higher salary slab, and for which reason multiple companies keep on churning around, and that is competitive business. What do the companies do? Why do they keep on? अच्छा कौन है जो काम करने वाला है? वो आप ही हो. चाहे ये बेंच रिलायंस में चला जाए, ये वोडाफोन में. Ultimately जब एक corporate house पे आएगा बेचने के लिए तो corporate house तो एक ही है ना. So idea is to win more number of manpower so that you can control the larger market share. That's a simple strategy. And that is the reason every HR, every assessor, every evaluator has a target to meet that number. Okay? So it is just not कि हाँ तुर पे capital letters, first name, middle name, last name, present address, permanent address, your gender, you are a foreign or Indian national, you guys are Indians. Source of application, advertisement, consultant name if referred, call from Vodafone, name of caller, walk-in, college, name, campus, city. This you will write down, okay? And others, place of interview, Mulana, you guys know. Have you ever worked in Vodafone? Yes, no. In case of yes, The joining date, employee ID or XYZ details that they want. Are you physically challenged? No. Marital status? Yes, no. Willing to work in shifts? Yes, no, whatever it is. Have you ever been interviewed by Vodafone or at Vodafone before? If yes, please give the details. Do you have any relatives or friends working in Vodafone? If yes, no, give their designation department. Educational details, higher qualification, you are pursuing your MBA or a PGDBM. Now Vodafone holds the right to conduct. I hereby declare that all the information provided in document is true to the best of my knowledge and can be used for verification purpose. Misrepresent. Okay, all of you are carrying your, from here you have to put across your 10th, 12th and graduation details out here in this. And any one of you have the work experience, your address of employers, your reporting manager who can verify on behalf, phone numbers in contact of your emergency, your valid passport number, signature of candidate, current salary, the people who are employed, please write down the current salary, expected salary or total whatever they have written, your relation with your father, mother, everybody, their names, date of birth, everything is required. Again the same line, Vodafone holds the right to conduct your background check, same theory. And then there is a, attention please, there is a section called as recruiters use. You don't have to write anything here. They will write in the process of your interview. On the first sheet, it will be PI form, okay, personal interview form. Second sheet would be your application form. Third sheet would be your resume. Okay. इनको फिल तो करवा लीजिए
I am 39, I am 40, I am 41 and I am 43 are requested to assemble to the conference hall.
सेलेक्टिव करके बुलाया
For collecting their application form. I repeat, for collection of the application form, Vodafone candidates are requested to go to
पता क्यों कर रही थी मैं शायद अपने एक्टिवा लेके या जॉगिंग करने आया ना तो ना मेरे को
परमिंदर
हाँ समझ गई मैं
बाहर चला गया न्यूजीलैंड में है वो
बच्चे बड़े
वहाँ जाने क्या दिक्कत है पापा की जन्म तारीख क्या है?
मैं 40
सन कौन सा? तो आपका कितना है?
इंडिया मार्ट मट्टी बनाते हैं ऐसे टच करना ना फोटो पर आएगी ना
यूनिवर्सिटी कब से चली थी?
बस उसके आज फायदा कर रहा हूँ इंडिया मार्ट के कौन से कैंडिडेट्स हैं यहाँ पे? आइए कम
कोई बात नहीं, आप आ जाइए।
अभी इंडिया मार्ट के आ जाएगी। इंडिया मार्ट की कभी खत्म हो जाएगी
तो ले लियो ना। चलो भाई
इंडिया मार्ट के कैंडिडेट्स प्लीज असेंबल हियर।
I'll show the positive things of my blazers. I will never show my negative things.
Send your blazer to us.
As a summer wear, but it's such in winter also because it's very warm and it's always doesn't warm. But it doesn't mean that it's warm in a winter in summer. It will be cool in summer because it's very good and because I am already wearing, so you can feel that I am comfortable in it. So you will also be comfortable.
Ambala can't because I have two organizers, two bags in the first of the Ambala city और second in Ambala camp. ठीक है? तो your preference Ambala city or Ambala camp?
Ambala
for marketing job only.
because I am comfortable in Ambala.
I will work in market. कैसे?
मेरे का link.
Time for job, not कि I want job in any sector.
Sir, I want to be job in marketing.
Why? क्यों आप marketing जाना चाहते हैं?
Because in marketing we meet pupils. उनकी needs को समझना, needs को fulfill करना. So this.
Saving account also.
Yes, sir.
What was the KYC?
KYC sir.
Full form of KYC.
KYC non new client sir.
अच्छा. ID proof क्या क्या चलता है?
सर राशन कार्ड, कुछ भी राशन कार्ड एड्रेस प्रूफ सर।
ID आइडेंटिटी
सर पैन कार्ड।
अच्छा।
फोटो सर।
फोटो तो नेचुरली हमारा फोटो है तो सर फोटो में के साथ कुछ रिटर्न होना चाहिए।
एक्स्ट्रा वोटर कार्ड, लाइसेंस एक्सेट्रा।
You are from Kurukshetra?
Yes sir. Yes sir, I want to be job.
And you are ready to work in farm?
Yes sir.
Next, I will try.
Music. That's it.
That's it. What is your strength?
My strength is positive thinking,
That is,
sincere.
you're sincere.
Yes, sir.
And what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and listening music.
Listening music.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to join the marketing?
Ma'am, because मैं वोडाफोन को प्रमोट करना चाहता हूँ.
वोडाफोन को प्रमोट करना चाहते हो?
Yes.
How would you